How am I gonna go this? I almost dropped it. Oh, Jesus. Okay. So, welcome to the channel, guys. Cali Car Guy here, and if you guys are brand new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, like down below, comment what you guys think. Today we're actually going to be installing the Matematik tail lights as we speak right now. Car is out there, toolbox is out there, so we're all set to go. I'm just going to go ahead and put this camera down real quick. Alright, so here we are. Excuse the mess, guys. I have a huge mess over here. Yeah, this car's been sitting for quite a while. So I just took off this plastic cover, which sits right here. Actually, wrong way. Sits like that, right here. There we go, like that. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. That comes off like that. Then you want to pull this back a little bit, and you're gonna see the screw or bolts that you have to take off for the lights. You got, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. We got let's say 1, 2, 3, probably 4. But yeah, let's get going. See, time lapse. Let's time lapse this. What? This came off, so that's a good sign. Yes! Alrighty. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. This is Cali Car Guy here, and today we are going to be working on the 240. Now, I know I haven't posted anything in quite a while. It's been at least say 2 weeks, and I do apologize for the late post. But yeah, you guys saw a video just now of me uninstalling the taillights, and here's the finished result on the 240SX taillights. Check them out. Now I actually got this cover. I actually have this cover, the car covered right now, which is only because I got the body kit on there and it's not fully secure yet, and that's why I have the car covered. This is the final like the finish basically of the taillights. They look nice. They honestly look very nice. Sorry guys, I don't have that much room. I'm gonna have to pull it forward right now, but yeah, they're there. Hope you guys like it, and hope you guys enjoy it. Like, comment, subscribe, and you know what? Yeah, that'll be it.
RouteNote Beats.